Harry, who was the first to reach the North Pole. His wife lived here also, and she was here when she got a telegram from her husband that he had reached the pole. So we're going to walk around. There is a museum here, but due to COVID it's closed. But there are some trails and of course the outsides to check out. So here we go.
We're on board Eclipse, and we've just collected, over the course of the past several days, a good quantity of black raspberries, which normally are finished back home, but because of the cool climate along the coast, those berries are still ripe here, and we collected them. Gary's making some homemade hooch, and I am making jam. So we're boiling down the black raspberries. And we'll be adding some sugar to that, boil it some more, and when we're done, we should end up with jam.
She was white, in it swam the savior, having the